Hello everybody and welcome back to the Rich Life. You guys know that I love to cook, I love to be in the kitchen, but breakfast is my least favorite meal. So I'm always looking for an easy way out. Lunch I love, breakfast not so much. So today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite easy breakfast meals, overnight oats. It's super simple to make and so good. All you have to do is put it in the night before and the next morning it's all ready to go. Perfect now that we're in back to school season and you're looking to save some extra time in the morning. What I love most about this recipe is that it's super adaptable to whatever you like. So today I'm showing you what we like in our house, but feel free to swap out ingredients as long as you stick with the 1:1:1 ratio. That's oats to yogurt, whatever kind of yogurt you like, and milk, whatever kind of milk you like. In addition to those ingredients, I'm also using a ripe banana, raspberries, cinnamon, and as an option, you can add on granola at the end to give it a little bit of crunch. So all we're gonna do now is combine our ingredients and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours. All right, our overnight oats are all done. Super simple, right? I told you guys, I just love this recipe. Put it in the night before, eat it the next day. Add a little granola if you like to give it a little extra crunch. And I want you to try these ingredients, but I want you to swap out ingredients too. Add your favorites and let me know how it goes. And make sure you subscribe to The Rich Life so that you can stay up to date with all of the latest. Until next time, take care everybody. Thanks, Riley.